Today our topic is by and with. By means action. We use by in five common ways: action done by somebody, transportation, method or means, time limit, near or beside. Now look at number one, action done by somebody. Here by shows the person who did the action. For example, the story was written by Susan. The cake was made by my daughter. Number two, transportation. Now here, by shows how we travel. For example, we traveled by bus or she went to school by van. Now number three, method or means. Here by shows how something is done or how we communicate. For example, he sent the letter by email. We contacted him by phone. Now, number four is time limit. Now, hereby means not later than a particular time. For example, finish your homework by 8 o'clock. It means not after 8. This by tells us that not later than 8 o'clock. You can also say, I will finish this work by Friday. Now, number fifth, near or beside. We use by with near or beside. For example, she's sitting by the window. The boy is standing by the tree. Here in both the sentences, by means near. Now let's study with. With means together with someone, using something, showing agreement, or expressing feelings. We use with in five common ways: being together, weapons or tools, body parts, agreement, emotions or feelings. Now look at number one, being together. Here, with means together with someone. For example, she lives with her parents. He plays with his friends. Now, number two, weapons or tools. Here, which shows something we used to do in action. For example, he writes with a pen. He cut the apples with a knife. Now, number three, body parts. With is used to show the body parts we use to do something. For example, we see with our eyes, we work with our hands. Now, number four, agreement. With is used when two or more persons have the same opinion. For example, I agree with my teacher, or he agreed with his parents. Now, number five, emotions or feelings, which shows the feelings or manner in which something is done. For example, she spoke with confidence, or he smiled with happiness. As you have understood by and with, let's do the exercise. Now, number one, I went to school blank my brother. What will you use in the blank? By or with? This sentence shows being together. And when we are together with someone, we always use with. Therefore, we will write with in the blank. Now, the correct sentence is I went to school with my brother. Now, number two, she smiled blank happiness. What will you use in the blank? By or with to complete the sentence. Here, the word happiness in this sentence shows or express a feeling or emotion. We use with. Therefore, we will write with in the blank. Now the complete sentence is she smiled with happiness. Now number three, he sent the documents blank email. What will you write in the blank? By or with to complete the sentence. This sentence shows method of communication. When we tell how something is sent, we use by. Therefore, we will write by in the blank. Now we can read the sentence. He sent the documents by email. Now, number 4, Jane cut the cake blank a knife. Jane cut the cake with a knife, or you will write Jane cut the cake by a knife, as this sentence shows the tool is used to do the action. Remember, when we use tool, we always use with. Okay, now we'll write with. Now the correct sentence is Jane cut the cake with a knife. Number 5, they went to Lahore blank train. What will you write in the blank? By or with to complete the sentence. This sentence shows transportation. This sentence shows transportation. When we talk about the means of transport, we use by. Therefore, we will write by in the blank. Now, the complete sentence is they went to Lahore by train. Number 6, Tara opened the door blank fair. Again, you have to decide. Either you will write by or with. As this sentence shows a feeling or emotions, keep in mind when we express a feeling or emotion, we always use with for the feelings. Do you remember about this? Therefore, we will write with in the blank. Now, number 7, Maria pointed at the shop blank her finger. This sentence shows the body parts used to do the action. I told you this. Therefore, we will write with, as whenever we use a body part, we always use with. We will write with in the blank. Now, our complete sentence is Maria pointed at the shop with her finger. Now, number 8, I will complete this work blank Monday. Again, you have to decide whether you will write with in the blank or by to complete the sentence. Now, this sentence shows a time limit. Here you have already studied time limit. When we mean not later than a particular time, we use by. Therefore, we will write by in the blank. Now, the complete sentence is I will complete this work by Monday. Now, number 9, they agreed blank the plan. What will you use in the blank? By or with? This sentence shows agreement. Remember, whenever we agree with a person, an idea or a plan, we always use with. Therefore, we will write with in the blank. Now we can read this sentence, they agreed with the plan. Now number 10, this is a beautiful park, blank the river. In this sentence, you will use by or with to complete the sentence. This sentence shows a place near something, any person or thing. Keep in mind when is near or beside another person or thing, we always use by. Therefore, we will write by in the sentence. Now, our correct sentence is this is a beautiful park by the river. I hope you understood the difference between by or with. Now it's your turn. Complete these sentences using by or with. The Mayor of Castor Bridge was written blank Thomas Hardy. Number 2, Rahul opened the gate dash a key. Write your answers in the comments or inbox me. I'll be happy to check them for you. If this lesson helped you understand by and with a little better, it would mean a lot to me if you could show some love, Hit the button, share it with your friends who are learning English too. Thank you for learning with me. See you in the next lesson.